Yo, welcome to my tutorial. I'm Elementor, and today I will show you how to create a beautiful custom designed 404 pages with Elementor free like this one that you're seeing without using any paid plugins. I saw out there that there were dozens if not hundreds of tutorials, articles on how to create custom designed 404 pages, but none of them used Elementor free. They all use the Elementor Pro. But of course, Elementor here is to show you how to do it for free. So stay tuned, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Yeah, you weren't on an error YouTube video, so I'm here, and now let's get started. Alright, now let's quickly jump into the tutorial. This is the written article of the same tutorial. You can find it on my website. I will add a link to it in the description of this video. It will be the first link that you will see, just in case if you don't like watching videos or my voice is not so good, you can go ahead over there and just read it. I have everything explained in details. So these are the steps. It is really simple. All we have to do is install and activate the required plugins. The first plugin is Elementor. Obviously we need this plugin because the tutorial is about it. And the second plugin is 404 page, your smart custom 404 error page. So using this plugin, we will be able to assign our custom designed page to be the 404 error page. So quickly, just while I download the plugin, let me explain what a 404 page is. So the 404 error is the error when the user lands on a page that doesn't exist on your domain. So let's say if my URL is windowshopping.website. So this is my URL, and I have 5 pages on this website right now, but none of them is just random URLs. Okay, so I don't have a page that has this URL. So this is the error page. So this is the 404 page. If the user types in the error in the domain itself, it will not bring the 404 because it is not on your domain. So the 404 error occurs only on your website whenever the user lands on a page that doesn't exist. Okay, so this page, we don't have any page that has the URL, just random URL. So even if the user goes in to type just testing, whatever he types, if you don't have that URL, it will be 404. So the user doesn't necessarily have to type the URL himself or herself. You might just add a link somewhere and then remove that page, so the page is no longer available on your website. So that way the user will also land on a 404 error page. So you have to add a redirect whenever you make changes. So the second step is to create and design the custom page. There are some best practices for 404 error pages. Of course, we'll be following the best examples, which are, of course, add a URL. Make sure that we have to emphasize, the user has to directly see that he has landed on a wrong URL, so he has to see. Then we have to add a page URLs or links to our imported pages, so the directories, and of course a search bar so that the user can search for whatever he or she is trying to search for. So this is the 404 error that you'll see when you land on yourmannar.com and the wrong page. So this is the page that you will see. It's not me, it's you. Some mistakes cost you a lot. This one doesn't. Of course, some sense of humor from my side. Search instead, go to homepage, and some useful URLs. So this is what we'll be doing right now. So we will start by creating a new page. Add new. This is really simple. For the design, I have went to freepik.com. This is the URL. This is a really useful tool. Almost all designers around the world use this website to find awesome illustrations, because I'm not an illustrator, but I can use other people's resources and skills. I have downloaded this one because I liked it. You can download anyone that you want, and you will have the file. You can create an account. This is a really useful website. Make sure to use it. 404 error page. Now have your options: disable header, disable footer, and disable title. Publish. Of course, if your header is a good header, you don't have to necessarily disable it, but because this is a demo website, and I have random headers for different tutorial purposes, I just disabled it. But yeah, you can go ahead and leave it as it is if it's good. For example, if you land on yourmannar.com, any random URL, you will see that my header and footer are both available, and the 404 screenshot that I just showed you previously. So I will add in an image in here. The image will be select files, downloads, of course, insert media. So this is the page, custom, width 500, apply. Okay, this looks way better than the bigger one, isn't it? It looks way nicer. I will add in here, because for an error page, I will add a button. Go to homepage, style, color, the same green. I will put it in the middle and add the link to point to homepage. Okay. The border radius, I think 2 would be good. Okay. Go to homepage. Now I will add in the search bar, Elementor header and footer. This is the plugin. Input text, search, and hit enter. Search instead. Style. I want the background color to be completely white. I want the placeholder to be a little bit darker. I want the font to be Lato. I just like this font. And I want the border, the color to be green, and the radius to be 2. Okay. Oh, that's the border width, I'm sorry. And the radius to be 2, the same as the buttons. Can't find what you're looking for? Search here. Okay, I think this looks way better. And now we will just add some paddings. 20% from left and 20% from right. Okay, this looks way nicer. Now, let's add a title here. Useful links. Left. The color, same color. Typography Lato. Alright, useful links, and I will just add in some links. So you have 2 ways to do this. So you either add a menu, so you can add a menu in here, so you can create a new menu and then add your links using this menu item. So I have my main menu obviously here, and I can add here the menu, or you can just simply add in text editors. With the text editor, you can add in your content and add the links on it. So they both, it doesn't really make any difference. So I will, for example, I can say pricing, okay, contact us, about us, and I can add the links in here. So pricing for example. But then again, I would much prefer if we do it with the menu option, but you can do both, but I will do with the menu option. Main menu, Elementor, horizontal, vertical. Which one? I think vertical it would be better. With the style, we will add the text color to be some dark color, for example. I will add the background color. I'm just copying the code from the Illustrator. So style, color. Okay, so this color is this one, and on hover I want it to be the green color. I'm just copying again from Illustrator. You can see it in here. This is the Illustrator. I just copied the code from there. I'm just showing you that I'm not doing anything in secret. Everything is transparent. And the font, battle. Okay, and of course the padding, 20 left, so you can see that they are. And the style, I want them to be a little bit closer to each other. So close, horizontal padding. 10, okay. This looks nice. Okay, let's make it horizontal. Let's see how would that look. Horizontal. And remove the padding. Oh. Okay, so useful links. Why don't we, no, I think this looks nice. We can align all to be in the middle. Just try that one as well. Style, layout in the middle, and style, and remove this one. Okay, pricing, contact us, about us, go to homepage, pricing, contact us, and search here instead. Okay, I think this looks nice. Let's continue with this. Now, so we created the page, we added it to be this design, and now once we go to, of course, we still have to do some things, but I want to show you how things will be. URL random test. Okay, so this URL right now is a page not found. So this is what we see right now. But now to make it look the page that we designed, so I will just go to appearance after installing and activating the 404 page plugin, 404 error page. And all I have to do is choose the page that I created. So save page, save changes, and that's it. Now, once I refresh this page, we will see that URL. Isn't this great? Now this will take us to the homepage. This will take us to pricing, contact us, about us, and here I can obviously search for other things that I was looking for. And whatever URL that I go here, whatever URL, it will still bring us this error page, because this error page will be visible on any page that is not on any URL that is not present on our domain. Okay, I hope this makes sense, guys. So this is how you create 404 error pages, custom designed, beautiful designed with Elementor free without using any plugins. So if this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. That helps me in return. And see you next time. Cheers.